Underlining text can emphasize important data or titles in your spreadsheets. If you're wondering how to underline in Google Sheets, you're in luck. This quick tutorial will show you just how easy it is. Let's underline your success. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Get into the Google Sheets document where you want to underline text. Step 2. Select your text. Highlight the cell or range of cells that contain the text you wish to underline. Step 3. Apply underline. Click on the U button in the toolbar above your sheet to apply underlining. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-U, CMD-U on Mac. Step 4. Adjust as needed. If you only want to underline part of the text within a cell, double-click the cell, select the specific text, and then apply underlining. Step 5. Review your changes. Make sure your underlined text appears as you intended. Adjust any additional formatting if necessary, and just like that, your text stands out with a sleek underline. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more Google Sheets formatting tips.